Introducing the Social Media Mastery Kit, your passport to conquering the digital realm. Once upon a time, in a world where social media reigned supreme, there lived a passionate entrepreneur who dreamed of harnessing the power of Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube to elevate their business to new heights. But alas, they were lost in the vast wilderness of algorithms and hashtags, unsure of where to begin. Then, like a beacon of hope, the Social Media Mastery Kit appeared on the horizon. A collection of 4 invaluable books and exclusive video trainings, it promised to be the ultimate guide for anyone looking to navigate the ever-changing landscape of social media marketing. With the turn of each page, our intrepid entrepreneur discovered secrets that unlocked the potential of each platform. From crafting compelling content to decoding the mysteries of analytics, the kit provided essential, straightforward, and friendly guidance every step of the way. Armed with newfound knowledge, our hero embarked on a journey of digital discovery. They connected with audiences on Facebook, danced their way to success on TikTok, curated stunning visuals on Instagram, and captured the attention of the masses on YouTube. As word of their triumph spread, others flocked to join the ranks of social media mavens, eager to wield the power of the platforms for their own businesses. And thus, the Social Media Mastery Kit became not just a tool, but a beacon of empowerment for all who dared to dream big in the digital age. So, dear reader, if you too yearn to unlock the secrets of social media success and embark on your own digital adventure, look no further than the Social Media Mastery Kit. Your journey starts here.